guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you a Bantu knot hairstyle. This hairstyle didn't came out the way I wanted it to, but to recover from it I created a cute hairstyle, and I'm adding some leave-in in my hair just to make my hair soft and manageable. And I did this hairstyle on dry hair just to get some length out of it. And I'm using this Lotta Body curl defining mousse. This mousse smells really amazing and it really defines your curls. It's especially made for natural hair. So now I will be showing you how I achieve the Bantu knot. So I start by twisting my hair all the way to the end. Just twist, twist. And you want to add extra mousse to your ends so your ends won't be dry when unraveling the Bantu knot. Then I start to twist some more until it forms into a knot. Then I twist the hair around the knot. To keep twisting the hair around the knot until there is no hair left. So now you have your Bantu knot. This is what it's supposed to look like when you're done. So now do the same technique on the rest of your hair. When I was unraveling the Bantu knots, I felt that my hair wasn't fully dry, so I had to sit under the dryer for like an extra 30 minutes. At this point, I was really stressing about the way my hair came out. I didn't know what to do, so I started thinking of a cute hairstyle. And that's when I came up with this hairstyle. Just 2 buns at the front and just leave it loose at the back. So this is how the hairstyle turned out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to click the bell button to get notified whenever I post. See you in my next video. Bye!